Hey, how you doing? This is JJ from Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Largo, Florida. Here I'm going to show you in part 3 of this series, and this is the last part, about how the Shurhold factory listened to me when I said this machine needed a mod and went ahead and custom did one for me. To my knowledge, for the first time ever. I don't know, maybe it's been done at the factory before, but they seemed very interested in this. I explained to them via email about how the dust cover was really rubbing. Of course, I thought I had, as explained in previous videos, a warped plate, which was true. But here, I want to show you how this is straight up. Yes, I always make a mark on my backing plate. I also write somewhere on the backing plate, if possible, exactly where it's from and what size. Because you start looking at these and Lake Country and Shurhold, and you know they're all yellow. They look different. Yes, I've got my Torque 22D here. You know, that's pretty clear because yes, it's printed right on there. But most of them aren't, at least that I've seen. Anyway, here we have nicely tightened down. It's got a rub there, and then it's got a little free spin. Okay, this is slowing your machine down. Okay, this you don't want. You want a free spinning machine. This is straight up out of the factory. This is one of the plates. Shurhold sent me 2 when I thought I had a problem with a warped plate. As I explained previously, the machine sits in a box like this and puts all the pressure on the plate here and warps it. I would be careful of that situation, and I do think that Shurhold should take the plates off and send them just in the carry bag that comes with the machine. Now, here we've got the plate off. It has a little locking washer, which I'm going to show you for good reason. And this gets crushed, okay, when you tighten it down. Do I think that you need a new one every time? No, I don't. But it makes for a little bit of grip because, as you can see, an uncrushed one here. I'm going to try and get that right in there. It's got teeth. Hope you can see that okay, as opposed to the flat, crushed one. Okay? Anyway, here is the Shurhold 6-inch, and this is the factory modified. Factory modified. So, when you put this on, line it up. You've got your little cutout inserts, which hold it in place. I believe I've got that on there. And I'm going to put my flat, previously crushed lock washer on there. Let's see if I can get that right in there. There she goes. So, with the washer mod, look at that. Free spinning, which means all the power is being transferred from the motor to the plate, and that's what you want. You don't want any kind of drag. See how close that is? It's real close. It just doesn't touch. Also, see how nice and flat this spins? My first one was all warped. If you buy from a cut rate seller, you could have that problem. So, I'm going to show you the mod that they did for me at the factory. I do not have the exact, probably should turn that the correct way. I do not have the exact washer number, part number, anything like that. They did it for me. But I'm going to show you something. So here's the backing plate. There's the screw and washer. Get that out of there all the way. And here you go. There is the washer. I'm going to try and get that so that you can see what they did. They attached this at the factory on the back side, which gives it just that little bit of space, okay, that when this real nice quality backing plate, put that in, push down, now it's raised up some. Screw, bolt I should say, still plenty of threads to work with. Now it's raised up. Now when you put it on your machine, you're just fine. I'm going to show you something else here because they don't have a 5-inch backing plate available. I asked them. I said they should have one. However, maybe someday they will. When you want to go to a 5-inch, and I think that it's okay to do so with this machine, I don't see any reason why not, you can. And you can order yourself off Amazon or I believe Chemical Guys the Torque 22D backing plate. Trying to line up the little notch there. There we go. Now, if you go to attach this, okay, so far it's got a nice spin to it, and you put the uncrushed washer in, okay? This is important. You can't catch the threads. It's getting a little longer of a video than I wanted to. If you take the crushed washer out and line it up, it's a little bit tough just to line up there, then the thread will catch just fine. This does have a little stand on the back of it too. It'll stand up for you while you can get things done. Now, there you go. There's the torque. Is it caught up a little bit? It's pretty free spinning. You know what's better? Take your crushed backing plate, previously crush it, put the crushed washer on there, you get a nice free spin. Just a little tip for you here from JJ. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Like this. I have yet to have one comment on my channel. Not even a troll. My fiance has threatened to troll me. She can probably hear me through the door here. I'm in my office. Anyway, take care. I thank you very much for watching. I hope I've helped even one person. It'll make it all worth it to me to do this video. Again, thank you, Shurhold. Thanks for the polish. Thanks for the Buff Magic compound. Thank you very much again for the red pad, the blue pad for correction, the orange pad for minor correction. You're the best. You're awesome. Barry, Ashley, Sam, the manager at the warehouse, the tech, everybody. I had more involvement from a company with something that I just couldn't even imagine was going to happen. And not only that, I didn't even buy it from them. I bought it through another distributor trying to save a few bucks. So anyway, for what it's worth, go to Shurhold.com and get all your needs there. Thank you very much.